I'm an artist for a living. I mean, how can you not be happy being an artist, making your living doing that? And on top of that, I draw cartoons and animals.
Recently, I've started drawing really large charcoal drawings of animals, my favorite subject. And I'd like to take you through my entire process and show you how I do it. Do not be a slave to your reference. You have the ability to make it anything you want, and that reference is just there to help you with anatomy or help you with lighting, but it's up to you to really kind of take it and make the image your own.
I had a very unique background to coming into animation. I was trained as an illustrator. I went in not knowing anything about animation, never been exposed to it. All I knew was I just knew how to draw.
A lot of people ask me, how do you get to know how to draw animals out of your head? But you have to understand how they're structured first. It just takes a little bit of time.
Well, if you don't think you'll ever hit professional standards, then you're already doubting yourself. You can't go at it like that. And if it's something you want, then you just have to drive and go for it.